Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great weekend, enjoying the nice sunny weather and the temperature's up a little bit, and especially Saturday was beautiful. Got to get outside and get a little yard work done and things as the plants around us are sort of coming back to life, and it's a really great sign to see. I just got a real quick update for you guys for this week, the 4-day week ahead of us. Big news, first thing, of course, is Miss Cullen will be back on Monday. Looking forward to that. She's looking forward to being back as well, so thanks again for all your concerns and prayers and thoughts and nice things we've done for her to help her on her recovery. We've got a 4-day week, of course, and on Thursday we'll have our fourth grade tableaus, where we'll get to go to the sanctuary and see the fourth grade reenact the Stations of the Cross. Unfortunately, this group was one of the things they missed out on last spring, getting to do that performance, but it'll be nice to be in the church, and that will be one of just a couple grades that'll be in there to see it in person, which would be great. So the other rest will be live streamed. Math this week. So we had a quiz last week. Kids did a great job with decimal division by whole numbers. This week we're going to get into decimal division by other decimals. So that's the next little step along the way. The true biggest challenge, I guess, for this chapter is how to handle those decimal points when we have to reconsider or rename some of the numbers, like we see kind of an example here, which we'll kind of get to. So that'll be our big thing for the week in math. English, we're continuing a creative writing thing. I was actually pretty impressed how they started off with their picking a historical figure to have breakfast with in sort of a fantasy way, but also bring in some fact-based stuff. So it's a creative writing that allows us to be both sort of fantastic and creative, and also help our audience learn some things about a person they chose. I was pretty impressed overall with the variety of people they chose that we would want to share that with. So we'll continue that. We're kind of into the rough draft stage, and I think a lot of us are ready to get into some peer editing and typing up the final drafts, which we'll do again. That'll be a good way to finish up the week before the break in English. Science fair is the big thing this week. We're going to do our presentations Wednesday and Thursday. A lot of kids worked on those displays in class on Friday, and some of us just need to make sure we finish those up. You can bring in the displays anytime this week. So if you got them done over the weekend, bring them in Monday, and we'll just have them in the classroom ready to go. Just to make sure we don't have to worry about anything or whatever else. And we're looking forward to having some good presentations there. We'll also cover a few pages in the book talking about things like photosynthesis and consumers and herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and those kind of things as we talk about energy and ecosystems, continuing through a little bit of the book. But the big thing will be getting into those, sharing and celebrating our work from Science Fair toward the end days of the week. That is about it. That's kind of our big thing. I'm really looking forward to the Science Fair stuff, something I always love to celebrate. And I think the timeline worked out well this time, having moved it to spring. And now that we haven't had any more disruptions with snow days and things like that, those days are well behind us now as the weather returns to something more enjoyable. So hope you all have a good week. Of course, we're off on Friday for Good Friday and beginning of Easter. And hope you enjoy the spring break and whatever it is you're doing. Hope you're staying healthy and safe. And we'll see you after that. So in the meantime, let's have a good week. Make these days count. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.